hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics exercise 3.4 and it is given in page number 48. Today we are going to see multiplication by 2-digit number. We are going to see multiplication by 2-digit number. Okay. Find the product. Find the product. So the first sum 59 multiplied by 17. See here 2-digit number, children. 59 multiplied by 17. So what you have to do, you have to leave 2 lines and you have to write, children. Then only you can write the carryover neatly. Okay, children. So 59 multiplied by 17. So children, if you are thorough in tables, you can do it directly. But if you feel very hard, means what you can do, if 7 tables, if you feel hard, what you can do, you can write the 7 tables here. Understood, children? Okay. Now we can write the tables, children, 7 tables. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is okay, children. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56 and 7 8 is 63. Why I have written till 9, children? Because here, see, this is the biggest number 9. So I have written till 9. Okay, children. Now we will go here. 7 9s are what, children? 63. 7 9s are 63. So what you have to write? You have to write as it is, children? No. You have 63 means you have to write 3 here and you have to carry over, you have to bring here. Okay, now you have to multiply like this. 7 5s are what, children? 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So you have to write 35 as it is? No, you should not write. You should not forget to add this number. So 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 6 means what will come, children? 41. What will come? 41. So you have to write 41. Okay. Now when you come to the next, see, we are 2-digit, isn't it? First we have to multiply by 1's column and then you have to multiply by 10's. In the 10's column, what is there? 1 is there. So when you multiply, can you write 1 9 is 9 like this? No. If you write like this, it is wrong. So what you have to do, because it's 10's, isn't it? So you have to add 1 0 here. You have to add 1 0. You have to add the 0. If you are not adding the 0, the sum will be wrong, children. So you have to put 1 0. Because for 10's, 1 0 will come. So 1 0. Then 1 9 is 9 and 1 5 is 5. Now what you have to do? You have to add this both the number. So you have to add the both the number. 3 plus 0, 3. 1 plus 9, 10. And carry over here. And 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So what's the answer, children? What's the answer? Answer is 1003. 1003. Answer is 1003. Okay, children. Can you see the second sum? Okay, the second sum 68 multiplied by 23. Okay, now I think it's very easy sum. 68 into 23. So all will be thorough in 3 tables and 2 tables, isn't it, children? It's very easy. So 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24 and 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. And coming to the 10's column, what you have to do, children? You have to put 1 0 here and then you have to multiply. 2 8s are 16. So when you come to 1, you can put like this. 2 8s are 16. You have to put above 2. Okay, children? And then 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So if you add this both the number, what we get, children? 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 6, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. And 1 you have to bring down as it is. So what's the answer, children? 1564. 1564. Okay, children. We'll see the third sum. 7. So, first itself we have written the 7 tables, isn't it children? I think you will be thorough. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. And 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 6, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So, you have to write 42 as it is. And then when you come to the tens column, what you have to do children? You have to put one 0. And then again 4 nines are what children? Sorry children, sorry, wait, I have made a mistake. 1 nines are 63. So instead of multiplying this, I mistakenly I have multiplied this, okay? 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 6 what children? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What will come children? 20. See, I itself made mistake like that. When you do, you should be very careful, okay? And then coming to the tens column, you have to add one 0 and 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. You have to put 3 here. So 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So now what you have to do children? You have to add this both the number. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 6, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. You have to bring down this answer 1 as it is. So what's the answer? 1363. 1363. Okay children, are you thorough with this sums? Okay, we'll see the fourth sum. Okay children, now we'll see the fourth sum. 136 multiplied by 49. First 3 sum is here also 2 digit, here also 2 multiplied by 2 digit. But now here 3 numbers are 1s, 10s, 100. 3 digits are here multiplied by 2 digit. Okay children. So 136 multiplied by 49. So if you feel hard, 9 tables if you feel hard means what you can do children? You can write like this. 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45 and 9 6s are 54. If you want to do the sum very fast means you have to be thorough in the tables orally, not in writing. Orally means you can do the sums very easily. Why I have written till 6 means see here the biggest number 6. Solely I have written till 6. You can write full also you can write, but to save the time I have written till 6. Okay children, so now we will multiply ones column. 9 6 are what children? 54. 9 6 are 54. So 54 means what you have to do children? You have to write 4 and you have to write 5 here in the tens column. Okay. Now 9 3s are what children? 27. So don't forget to add the number which is given above. So 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 5, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 32 means you have to write 2 here and you have to bring up 3 here. Okay. Now 9 1 is 9. 9 1 is 9. Easy. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So 1224. And we are coming to the next line. What you have to do children? When you multiply by 4, what you have to do children? You have to add one 0. Don't forget to add 0. Okay children? Now 4 6 are. 4 tables is very easy. 4 6 are 24. And 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. And 4 1 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So while adding also you should be very careful. Well, if you multiply by 4 means what carry over you have to write above. So when you add you should be very careful. You should not add the below number. Understood children? So what you have to do now? We have to add this both the number. 1224 plus 5440. So 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4 again 6. 1 plus 5, 6. So what's the answer children? Answer is 6,664. Answer is 6,664. Okay children, fifth sum. 378 multiplied by 12. It's very easy table, isn't it children? 378 multiplied by 12. So 2 tables is very easy. So you can do it directly itself. Okay. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. And then 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, 756. And then coming to the tens column, see, tens 1 is there. So what you have to do? You have to add 1 0. 1 8 is 8. 1 7 is 7. And 1 3 is 3. Okay, children? Okay, now when you add this, what will come? 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 8, 5 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 5, what will come, children? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1 plus 3, 4. So what's the answer, children? 4,536. 4,536. Okay, children? Okay, coming to the sixth sum. 539 multiplied by 36. So 539 multiplied by 36. Okay, here if you feel 6 table is very hard, what you can do, children? You can write like this. You can write the 6 tables like this, and then you can do the sum. 6 9s are what, children? 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. And again 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are what, children? 30. So 30 plus 2, 32. Okay, children? So 3,234. And then coming to, when you multiply by 3, what you have to do? You have to add 1 0 and say 3 9s are what? 3 tables, very easy, isn't it? 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So when you add this both the number, what you get, children? 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 7, 10. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And 3 plus 6, 9. And then you have to bring down this one as it is. So what's the answer, children? 19,404. 19,404. Okay, children. Now we'll see only two more sum we will see. That we are going to see here. 3-digit we saw. Now we are going to see 4-digit number multiplying by 2-digit number. Okay, children. 3,087 multiplied by 37. Okay, children. 3,087 multiplied by 37. So I have written the 7 tables here. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49 and 7 8s are 56. Why I have written till 8, children? Yes, 8 is the biggest number. Okay, children? Okay. Now we will do the sum. 7 7s are 14. See, 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. So 9 you have to write here and carry over to bring here. Okay. Now 7 8s are 56. So 56 plus 4, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. So 7 zeros are, when you multiply with 0, only 0 will come. We should not write 7. Understood, children? 7 0 means 0 only. Okay. So what is here? You have to bring down the 6 as it is. 6 here. And 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. So you have to write 21. So 21,609. So when you come to multiply by 3, 3 table is very easy, isn't it? 3 7s are, see, you should not forget to add 0. 3 7s are 21. So you have to put here. So if you get confusion, what you have to do, children? You have to strike it out this, so that you can count this one. Understood? You keep it in mind. And then 3 3 8s are what children? 24. 24 plus 2, 26. So as soon as you write, you have to cancel this one, okay? And again 3 zeros are 0. So you have to bring down this 2 here. And then 3 3s are 9. So what answer? 92,610. So you have to add this both the number. So 9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 1, 1. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And 2 plus 9, 11. So what's the answer children? What's the answer? 1,14,219. So what's the answer children? 1,14,219. Okay children, 1,14,219. Okay children, don't forget, see when you multiply you will get 0. So don't think, here Mrs. writing 9 and here 1 you are doing. This is addition. Okay children, what you do, when you add you have to write the number. When you add 0 with any number you will get that same number. But when you multiply with 0 you will get 0 only. You should not write the number. Understood? Don't get confused. Okay. So only 9 plus 0, 9. And 0 plus 1, 1 I have written. Okay. Now we'll see. See, 3 sums I have given for homework. So what you have to do is children, you have to continuously you have to write, and what you have to do, you have to do these 3 sums and you have to send it to me. Okay. 843 multiplied by 18, 2056 multiplied by 22 and 407 multiplied by 35. Okay children, 3 sums is for your homework. You have to do and you have to send only the homework. No need to send the classwork. You can do the homework and you can send it to me. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.